let's get some tcpdump capture. Say, for example, from this pod on the master node to the pod on the worker node, and see how it look like for the packet on the wire from the tcpdump point of view. Let's do that. So here on the master node, I'm going to use the bitbox pod on the master node. Notice the 104 pod IP address to pin the Nginx pod on the worker node. Notice the pod IP. So I run two tcpdump capture on the background, and one is on the VTEP Funano interface. Another tcpdump on the node interface with port 8472, which is to capture the VXLAN overlay packet. Same thing on the worker node. Two tcpdump in the background. And here, I'm going to log into the bitbox pod and pin the. And let's now pin the Nginx pod. That is on the worker node, just one packet. Okay, we get a reply. Let's look at the capture on the master node. So this is a ISMP echo request, the first packet captured on the Funano VTEP interface. As you can see here, there's the source MAC is the local VTEP MAC. The destination MAC is the remote VTEP MAC, as you can see from here. So source MAC, this MAC is the MAC address of this VTEP interface. The remote VTEP MAC is the MAC address of this workload Funano VTEP interface. So this is the first echo request, and this is the encapsulated ISMP echo request. As you can see here. So this is the outer header. As you can see, the source IP, the node IP, master node IP. Destination IP is the worker node IP. Destination port is the Linux kernel VXLAN, and the UDP receiving port 8472. This overlay, and I believe this is the VNI ID. So that's the encapsulated ISMP echo request. Yeah, so this is the tcpdump on the node interface, this whole packet. The second packet. This is the third packet for the ISMP echo reply coming from the worker node. Notice the outer header here is from the worker node IP to master node IP, and the port destination port is 8472. That's the outer header. This is the inner packet that it has been encapsulated. Notice the source MAC is the workload VTAP MAC. Destination MAC is the master node VTAP MAC. Source IP, Nginx pod IP, destination IP, Busybox pod IP, ICMP echo reply. This is the ICMP echo reply on the VTAP interface capture on the master node. So same thing here on the worker load. So this is a ICMP echo request. The source IP is the Nginx and the Busybox pod IP, Nginx pod IP. That's the echo request. This is the echo reply. So this two packet is captured on the F9 VTAP interface. This two packet is on the node interface. As you can see, it's encapsulated the packet. The outer header source from for the echo request, source IP, node master IP, workload IP, receiving port, the inner packet, master node VTAP MAC, workload VTAP MAC, Busybox pod IP, Nginx pod IP, echo request. This is for the reply, encapsulated the echo reply packet. Workload IP, master node IP. This is inner packet that has been encapsulated. Workload VTAP MAC, master node VTAP MAC, Nginx pod IP, Busybox pod IP, echo reply.